Welcome to Dashcam Dynamo. Here we have two really good examples of poor driving. As you can see here, the Nissan Juke is just hogging the middle lane. He should have moved over, but nah, he's happy. I'm going to stay in the middle lane. And then a bit further up, also a van, looks like a Renault, also hasn't moved over for ages. And then you'll see a red car now, a VW, come flying up. He was sat behind me for a couple of minutes. So he's gone right down the inside. He's probably doing about 85 miles an hour, 80 miles an hour here. And he's just undertook us all. Passing on the left, known as undertaking, isn't a specific offence in the UK law, but it can still land you in trouble. The highway code says you should normally overtake on the right. If you cut up another driver by sneaking past on the left, police can class it as careless or inconsiderate driving. A typical punishment is 3 penalty points and a £100 fine. If it's reckless or causes an accident, courts can push it up to 9 points, bigger fines, or even a driving ban. So when is undertaking allowed? In slow or congested traffic, if your lane is moving faster. When another vehicle is turning right, for example, if you're on a dual carriageway and a turns across the other side of a dual carriageway, or on a stay in lane section like average speed check zones. Everyone else on the road will expect you to overtake on the right. Passing on the left can cause confusion, sudden lane changes and collisions. Police often see it as aggressive driving. Undertaking on the motorway might feel cheeky, but it's risky. Do it unsafely and you're looking at 3 points and a £100 fine, or worse, it can cause an accident. Stick to overtaking on the right unless traffic is crawling.